in 2025 marks another significant milestone for Thailand in propelling Thai startups onto the global stage. Through the Unicorn Factory Thailand 2025 project, driven by the National Innovation Agency public organization, the Unicorn Factory Thailand project aims to strengthen the capacity of Thai startups, accelerate the rise of new unicorns, promote collaboration across all sectors, to connect Thai innovation to global networks. It's not just about business, it's about shaping a national innovation ecosystem that's globally recognized. This initiative is a key mechanism for building a new generation of economic warriors through the 4G strategy: groom, grant, growth, and global, integrating the efforts of the public sector, private sector, and international networks to position Thailand as the startup hub of Southeast Asia. This project features two main activities. The first activity to organize Thailand's exhibition at Web Summit Qatar 2025. NIA brought 4 green tech startups, Vacant, Autotech, Ion Energy, and MUI Robotics, to showcase their innovations among over 25,000 global participants. The second activity, a deep dive incubation of Thai startups program under Scaleup Impact, Thailand's ex-Sweden project in collaboration with Nordic partners. The program created a platform for knowledge exchange and business scaling. 12 Thai startups unlocked opportunities in Stockholm, the city of innovation, through intensive activities, including workshops on international business expansion led by global experts, online monitoring sessions, and Thailand Pitch Day 2025 in Sweden. All 12 startups pitched their vision to European investors and gained insights from leading international VCs. This year's outcomes include expanded investment opportunities, increased investor confidence, and global partnership networks. Unicorn Factory Thailand. It's more than a project, it's a platform laying the foundation for Thai startups to grow on the global stage.